when I started the course, I had no clue what I'm doing. But
Okay.
now I have at least end-to-end knowledge of what is happening. So
Right.
I'm very thankful to you, and you have explained all the things in detail. And whenever we have doubt, you take it in detail and make us clear all of it. Uh,
True.
yeah. So thank you so much.
No problem. Good that you have learned a lot. Yeah. Cool. Nara, do you have something to say?
Yeah, thank you so much. It was fun and great learning with you. Sorry for my voice.
No issues. Yeah.
I have learned a lot. We have grown a lot in the area. That I know I had a previous basic knowledge, but I didn't have what I was supposed to, and I was really confused, like where to start and where to stop. Because when I was going through the tutorials and the videos on the YouTube, there was a lot that was being showed, and especially the DAX part. I was like confused, like where to stop and where to start, which one to start and which to, like the smart tips that we need to know while learning. That I learned it from you. So, and apart from that, there are a lot of things that the YouTube doesn't teach that you have taught, and you have put every effort to ask all the questions that I always ask.
Okay.
Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Glad you guys have loved it. Yeah. So, okay.
Thank
Monica,
you.
Tasina, any final words?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very much. And when I was start, I don't have knowledge even IT related. I don't have much knowledge, but you have explained very nicely, and you will be always in my memory because you cleared all my doubts very fluently, and you didn't give up. And thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Monica, for the kind words. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, me too also.
Yeah.
Because I have a very confusion with DEX. So you cleared those things very well. I'm very thankful to you.
Thank you so much, all of you. And even, for every batch, it's a very good experience for me also, because we connect on a regular basis and we communicate a lot. We sit for more than 1 hour. So yeah, even I'm going to miss you guys. You were very proactive. Seriously speaking, this is one of the batch is very proactive, very lively and, very friendly.